The one thing I found about Dyersburg that is really unique, and that is the willingness of people to get involved in whatever the cause is. You know, I think that there's an opportunity if people want to become engaged, if people want to pay back in their community, this is a great place to do it.
We have wonderful school systems. We have a great county school system, city school system. We have a private school here. We have wonderful churches. We all support one another, and I think that's really a big part of being in this community.
You know, this community is blessed with good leaders that work together. You know, I may compete with the other financial institutions in town, but the important thing is when we have something in our community that needs to be done, we're all at the same table. You know, people always say, well, you know, where is Dyersburg? I say, well, number one, it's north of Memphis, 85 miles. But more importantly, we have a bridge over the Mississippi.
I definitely feel safe. Anywhere I go in Dyersburg, I do feel safe. I think as far as going downtown, our business is located in downtown Dyersburg. And so I may run into the office at night and I don't think anything of it. I feel very safe coming and going. At night, of course, we have a puppy, so I walk our dog. My children may take the dog outside at night even, and I never am concerned about anything taking place. We have a lot of local restaurants, we have chains, we have a lot of sports activities for families to participate in, to go to, kids to participate, to play in. We have, of course, our fair is coming up. A lot of activities downtown. We have a lot of things to do, and again, a lot of church activities, community organizations, things that you can easily just jump right in and be a part of.
NSK located here, a Japanese firm, back in 2007, and then we had Dot Foods locate here as well, which is a great community partner.
By the end of next year, Dot Foods will have 2 facilities in Tennessee. And there's a reason we're attracted to Tennessee. It's very business friendly. There's a solid workforce here, and the state of Tennessee and their partners provide incentives that keep us interested in coming to Tennessee. If I ever left Dyersburg, I think the thing we'd miss the most is really the small town, small community feel.
You know, it's the people, it's the community, it's the sportsmanship between the school systems, it's the events that go on. You know about everybody in town, and it's just a great place to raise a family. You know, the school systems and the amenities and things like that.
You know, some people say when you live in a small town or you're born in a small town, everybody knows what's going on, and I don't feel like that's the truth at all. I feel like people care, and so I would miss our town. I'd miss just that love and support that you receive here in Dyersburg.